So, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the secret and the law of attraction. I'm going to talk a little bit about it while explaining what it means to me and how I apply it in my life. So, first of all, you need to understand that everything is energy and you are an energy magnet. So you electrically energize everything to you and electrically energize yourself to everything you want. So in order to have, for example, something in your life, you need to become the reciprocal of that thing. You get to feel the blackboard of life with whatever you want. The only thing you need to do for this is to feel good now, because that it is going to be a magnet for more beautiful things in your life. And the more you use the power within you, the more power you will draw through you. The time to embrace your magnificent self is now. So start feeling good now. Start doing things that make you feel good and bring you joy. You can ask yourself, what brings me joy? What turns me on? So you will attract a lot of joyful things if you have the frequency of joy right now, because you are radiating it. So try to let go of your limiting beliefs. You can use a method to let go of your limiting beliefs and change all your limiting beliefs by just writing them. For example, write your beliefs on a certain topic, like for example relationships or money or whatever topics you want to change your thoughts on that field of your life. Then, for example, if you have a question on how to change your situation, maybe you can ask someone who you trust, and like for example a role model or someone who has what you already want. And this is a quick way to change your limiting beliefs, to write their limiting beliefs and try to make them your own. So this is a way to just change your thoughts and your limiting beliefs. In fact, everyone has limiting beliefs. Whatever belief you have is a limiting belief, but we need to go to limiting beliefs who can serve us better now. For example, someone might have a limiting belief that he can't make more than a certain amount of money a year. Someone else is just a millionaire, and for that person the limiting amount of money that he can earn is a lot more than the first person. So everyone has limiting beliefs, and maybe for a billionaire or a multi-millionaire, the single millionaire has limiting beliefs. So in this sense, I say that everyone has limiting beliefs, but we need to adapt the ones that serve us at the moment. So how to apply the law of attraction practically in your life? In fact, I have done two more videos. The first one, you can find them in my channel, is about the law of attraction in relationships and in health. And the second one is about the law of attraction for manifesting money. But here I'm going to give you more general tips on how to apply the law of attraction. So the first one is to listen to affirmations and maybe repeat the affirmations with your own voice if it's possible for you. I listen every day to positive affirmations in different topics on different fields of life, for example in money, beauty, etc. And also just general affirmations to make you feel good and make you feel confident, to believe that you already have what you want in the universe. So listen to affirmations. I listen to them while doing ordinary things like applying my makeup. Instead of just getting lost in thoughts, I listen to positive affirmations. And sometimes while commuting, going and coming from work, I listen to positive affirmations along with other self-help motivational materials and programs that I follow. The second one is to meditate. I meditate every day in the morning, but maybe the one really good way to meditate and manifest is to meditate while in the bathtub, and so while taking a bath, just with that atmosphere, with water and with candles. I think that it's the best way to just feel good and to manifest what you want. Also listen maybe to manifesting audio, or you can prepare your own to just listen every day to really manifest one specific things. Then third tip that I will give in this video is to do something new. To do something new which is most likely going to bring you closer to what you want. Even a small change in your environment can bring you out of that state, maybe that you are feeling stuck in life. Just doing some new thing every day, something new that you think aligns with the lifestyle that you want. Only a small thing can be really helpful to inspire you in some way and just start that ripple effect of the law of attraction to make you feel better and to attract more better things in your life. Then the fourth tip is to follow role models. Follow people that already have what you want, and this is not just to learn from them practically, but also to get into their vibration. Today with the internet, it's easier and easier to get in the energy of people that have what you want. The internet is not just getting information, because information is not embodiment, but it has to do more with getting in the energy of that person, taking energy. And some people, especially some feminine life coaches, they don't just sell information, they sell their energy, and just being in their presence can uplift you. So take this into consideration in your life, day-to-day life. Be with people who vibrate with the things that you want, with positive people, but also online, because you get from the energy of the person that you are following. Even if you are not at the same stage yet, it will help you a lot to go where they are. So that's all for this video, my thoughts and how I apply the law of attraction. I hope you liked it. So we'll see you in another video. Bye.